Welcome to this gentle Yoga Nidra session. This practice invites you to deeply relax your entire body and give your mind some space to completely rest. As you settle in, you may find yourself drifting into a state between wakefulness and sleep. If you happen to fall asleep, that's perfectly fine. Just allow yourself to let go. However, if you remain in that in-between state, you may experience a profound sense of renewal throughout your body by the end. You're welcome to try this session just before bed, lying comfortably, or even right after waking up. Now, let's take a moment to prepare for our practice. Lie down comfortably on your bed or any flat surface that feels right for you. Settle in on your back, allowing your head to rest on a pillow, or perhaps without one if that feels better. You might place a pillow beneath your knees to add comfort, with your arms gently resting at your sides, or in any position that feels most natural and relaxed. Take your time to adjust, settling into a state of ease and readiness to relax here for a while. Now, inhale deeply and slowly through your nose. Hold it lightly in your chest. Then let it go slowly and fully. Breathe in once more. Keep a gentle breath. And exhale gently. One more time. Now, gently continue this breathing exercise while staying aware of your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, notice your body feeling gradually heavier. Repeat this for 3 cycles. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold your breath gently. As you exhale, sense your body becoming heavier, as if it's sinking deeper and deeper. Breathe in again. Hold it softly in your chest. And as you exhale, feel your entire body growing heavier, grounding you further. Breathe in once more. Hold softly. And exhale gently. Now, let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Relax your entire face. Soften your eyebrows. Release any tension around your eyes, even in the muscles deep within your eye sockets. Let go of any tightness in your jaw, from your temples down to your chin. Continue guiding your attention gently through each part of your body. Soften your right shoulder. Bring your awareness to your entire right arm. Gently release any tension in your upper arm. Then soften your elbow. Your forearm. your hand. Allow each finger on your right hand to fully relax. Feel the right side of your chest letting go completely. Gently move your focus down to your waist, then to your hip. Guide your attention down to your right thigh, your calf, and your right foot. Soften each toe on your right foot. Be fully present, focusing entirely on each part. Now, gently shift your attention to the toes on your left foot. Allow each toe to soften and fully relax. Bring awareness to the top of your foot and the sole. Let your entire foot feel completely at ease. Move your focus up to your calf, sensing it gradually releasing and feeling heavier. Then bring attention to your knee and your left butt. Feel the weight of your thigh, letting it relax deeply. Soften your hip and your waist. Now, focus on the left side of your chest, where your heart is gently giving life to this body. Relax and let go of any tension in your left chest area. Release your shoulder. Move your attention gently to your left arm. Soften your upper arm, your elbow, your forearm, your hand, and each finger. Now your body is in a state of complete relaxation. Feel your body as though it were a quiet, still stone, gently sinking deeper, going further down, deeper still. This meditation session has come to an end. Wishing you a restful, deep sleep or a new day filled with energy and positivity.